guys, I'm Sejal, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a kimono from a scarf and a cool feather earring. I hope you like it. The first thing to do is to make sure that your scarf is large enough. Now we'll start with folding the scarf in half inside out. We need to put a mark on the side of the scarf at about 15 centimeters from the top. Now take your thread and put it through the needle, pull it down and make sure you tie a knot in the end. Now we have to sew up the side till the mark that we made. So I know sewing can be a big pain, but trust me, it took me only 5 minutes to sew it up all the way till the mark. Do the same on the other side as well. When you're done, don't forget to put a knot in the end so that the stitch doesn't open up, and cut the rest off with your scissors. Use your ruler to find the middle of the scarf and put a mark there. Now we're going to cut all the way to the top, but make sure you only cut through the top layer. Once you're done doing that, open up the flap like so. This is going to be the opening of the kimono, and we have to hem it all the way to the top. So use your needle and thread to do so, and once you're done doing that, your kimono is all ready. So I styled this kimono with a basic white tank top and blue jeans. I'm wearing it with my favorite silver sandals that I got from Accessorize and a necklace I got from Sarojini Nagar. I made another kimono which I'm wearing with a black tank top and a different necklace that you can get at Sarojini Nagar. You can also try wearing this look with shorts. I think it'll look really good.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it.
Start with one of the necklace chains which have a hook on top. Now I'm going to choose a feather earring and put the clasp through the earring like so. This is what you'll have when you'll be done. Now choose another feather, and since this is not an earring, we need to find a small little ring in the necklace. We're going to open it up using our scissors and put the feather through and tighten it with the help of our fingers or our scissors again. I want this to be shorter, so I'm just going to fold the necklace in half and put the rings at the bottom through the clasp on the top. I want to add more feathers to this, so I'm just taking another feather earring and putting it through the ring in the bottom and tightening it up with my fingers. If you want, you can add charms to this like I have here, and that's it, you're done. This earring can jazz up pretty much any outfit, so I'm just wearing the same black top and jeans, and I added some bracelets and bangles. What I recommend is that you keep the top really simple and plain off the shoulder so that there is a lot of tension on the earring. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you thought in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye!